HTE is developing a remarkably robust national rental compressor program. We're helping them to evolve. We believed in the customers, we believed in the employees, and we believed in the products.
HTE has a great team here, and since being a part of Tavron, it's only expanded those capabilities to offer more valuable solutions to our customers. We can really leverage the resources and experiences across our teams.
Our number one priority when a customer goes down is to get them back up and making product again as soon as possible. Everything else is second. We're gonna answer that phone call every single time, no matter what time of day or night it is.
It's critical that we build a trusted partnership, and that starts with listening to their problems and really understanding what their operations are needing.
HTE has always had my back when I ask for support. If it's coming from, I need to get technicians trained, I need to get technicians the right tools, they've always been there, they always will be, and they actually prove that they will be.
HTE Technology is very focused on making sure we have a high sense of urgency, a very good level of accountability, and that our expectations are clearly defined. Consistency matters to everyone. It's everything. And we want to make sure that we provide the goods and services that we need in a timely basis so that they're allowed to do what they need to do. We want to become their trusted partner.
We're growing, expanding, and we're just going to be that much better for all of our customers nationally going forward.